used to tell me, son, be careful what you do. Every seed you plant out here comes walking back to you. I didn't listen then, thought the world was mine to bend, but life showed me the circle always closes in the end. One day I heard a brother, just because I thought I could, laughed while he was falling, never thought about his wound. But years passed by, and I felt that same sharp knife, and in the echo of the pain I heard, this is life. 'Cause karma knows my name, it whispers Jah Light, soft like rain. When I'm wrong, it holds a mirror. When I'm right, it brings me nearer. Every tear, every smile, every choice we made, karma remembers, it never forgets our ways. Then I met a stranger, shivering cold outside a store. Had no shoes, no coat, just a hunger in his core. I gave him what I had, it wasn't much, but all I owned. And weeks later, blessings came I thought I'd never know. Got a call from someone saying they believed in my dream. Doors swung open wide like the world was on my team. And in that moment I felt something deep inside. Good returns in waves when your heart is open wide. Yeah. Karma knows my name, it whispers Jah Light, soft like rain. When I give, it gives back brighter. When I love, the Lord gets lighter. Every tear, every smile, every path we take, karma is timing, it never forgets our fate. I've been the villain and the healer, the breaker and believer. I've been lost inside the shadows and found peace in something clearer. Life keeps teaching gently, even when the lessons sting. What you bring into the world is what the world will always bring. Now I walk a little softer, speak with mercy in my voice. 'Cause pain taught me compassion, and love taught me my choice. I forgive the ones who hurt me,